This queen bee loves summer all year round, and today's bellflower cocktail is a celebration of the season's bright colors and beautiful blooms. So what do you say? Let's shake it up. Start with 1½ ounces of Empress Gin and add ½ ounce of yellow chartreuse. I'm going to do a dash of orange bitters. Add ½ ounce of lemon juice. Then add 1 egg white. Fill your shaker with ice. Give it a good shake. Transfer the mixture into another shaker, and we're going to do a dry shake. Pairing chartreuse with a herbaceous gin gives this cocktail a range of flavors that just might inspire you to mix up a second round. So drink up, because this bellflower cocktail is Queen Bee approved.